Making $150 per day online. One of the first milestones in online money making is earning your first $150 per day on a consistent basis. In today's video, and I'll even break down the math to show you how it's possible. At the moment, I make over $6,000 per day from a variety of sources. The first way to do this is to run anonymous YouTube channels. In fact, this is how my internet adventure began. However, I wanted to break down the math for you on how it's possible to make this much money per day with a faceless YouTube channel. Now let's assume that over the course of the next few months, you upload 60 videos to an anonymous YouTube channel. Let's also assume that you optimize your videos, as I demonstrate, and that you receive some consistent views on them. Perhaps nothing spectacular, but let's assume that each of your videos receives 250 views on average each day. Now in practice, not every video will receive the same number of views each day, as 90% of views on YouTube typically come from just 10% of your channel's videos. Assuming, for example, that your channel earns $10 per 1,000 views on YouTube, you can calculate how much money you make per 1,000 views by placing ads on your videos. For example, if you have 250 views a day at $10 CPM, each video on your channel earns $2.50. This may not seem like much, but if you multiply that amount by 60 videos, you can generate $150 per day. This illustrates how you can simply upload more and more videos, as long as you're creating high-quality content, figuring out what works, and putting procedures in place to eventually remove yourself from the process, as I have done. I now hire other people to create the videos for me. All I have to do is come up with ideas for them, upload them, and optimize them. At this point, you might be thinking, Matt, isn't that unrealistic to get $10 for every 10,000 views on your channel? Place more ads on particular subjects. I'll tell you right away which subjects have the highest CPM. These are financial-related specialties. Earn money with technology on the internet. Investing in health and traveling legally insurance makeup used to promote real estate vehicles and movies. Using digital products, which can be anything you can sell online, such as ebooks, tutorials, or anything else, is the second way to make $150 each day, where you don't have to pay a fulfillment fee each time a customer purchases the product. You can find many of these products for sale on websites like Gumroad.com. If we visit Gumroad, we can click the Discover tab to see what other people are selling and get ideas for potential digital product ideas. If we browse through some of the categories, you'll notice that some of the most popular ones are related to business and money education, and there are many different subcategories under that, including self-improvement. With a digital product, you can make $150 per day by selling 10 $15 products, 3 $50 products, or just one $150 product. I would actually advise aiming for that one $150 product sale. All they literally need to do is sell one guide per day, and they've already made much more than $100 per day. I suggest you use YouTube right now for the third way I'm going to show you to make $150 per day. I know you can make much more than that though, because I use this strategy myself to make thousands of dollars a day selling online courses. Now, don't be intimidated by the term online courses. You might think you need to be an authority on a subject. All you need to do is, you might believe that you have to be an authority on a subject. But all it takes to be able to instruct the majority of people who don't know as much as you do is the ability to learn more than. It's a win-win situation that benefits both of your pages. This Shoutcart website is one example of one of those pages, essentially a marketplace where users can purchase and sell shoutouts on a variety of these different Instagram pages. It also operates on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and other platforms. But its main focus is Instagram. For example, this page charges $150 for a feed post on Instagram, meaning that if they charge $150, they merely need to sell one shout-out per day to make $150. I personally know a lot of people because I've purchased shout-outs on a number of these popular pages. THAT sell a lot more than that. In fact, I know some people who run networks of pages and make tens of thousands of dollars a month from this. Services like video editing are in high demand, which brings me to method number 6 of making $150 per day. Video. Instagram is just another good traffic source to have as well. Since editing is in high demand, I'll move on to technique number 6 of generating $150 per day. Video editing. I hire video editors hundreds of dollars a month to edit videos for my 12 various YouTube channels, including the one you're currently watching. I spent hundreds of dollars having this movie made for you because I know it would not only benefit you greatly and maybe provide you with useful information you can put into practice, but it will also bring in money for me. Since editing is such a sought-after skill, let me now discuss method number 6 but it would also make money for me. There is a software I found called Flicky that helps you make videos using AI. With this software, I found that you can sign up to be an affiliate and earn 30% recurring commissions for a lifetime. That's what you want to make sure that you can continue to make money every single month for each person that signs up under your link. If we go ahead and we check the pricing on Flicky right here, as you can see, it ranges from $21 to $30,000. Busters is a YouTuber who simply promotes various AI software and talks about it. He makes over $10,000 per month from this channel right here using a lot of AI tools to help him make his videos.